The final question that we're going to take a look at is going to be the multiple answer type. But remember, I said in the last video that if you're done working on a test for now, you can just say OK and put that test away. And then you can go back and edit it later and continue to add more questions to it. So you go to the control panel, click on Test Surveys and Pools, click on Tests, and simply click Edit on the test that you're working on, and that'll open it up so that you can continue to add more questions. In this example, we're going to take a look at the multiple answer type question. Okay, once that opens up, you give it a question title. And I have the question right here. Which of the following people are members of the original KISS lineup? Choose all that apply. So it's a multiple answer question. And I am going to allow partial credit, and I am going to display the answers in random order. There are going to be 8 possible answers here, but only 4 correct ones, so it's going to be a 4-point question. And I'll just go ahead and type. It says fill in the fields with possible answers and check any of the correct answers. So the first one I'm going to put is Gene Simmons. I think there's only one N in Simmons. And he is an original band member. The next one is Dennis DeYoung. Not an original band member. Paul Stanley was an original band member. But not Chuck Panzoro. Ace Frehley definitely was. Not Tom Nardini. Peter Criss was. And that's the 4 of them. So the last one is Tommy Shawn. He was not a member. Okay, I've got my 8 possibles in there. Sorry, wrong. And this again is music. I'd say that this is probably a difficult question. Not sure everybody would know the 4 original band members. Put some metadata words in there and submit that. And we'll take a look at that. Remember, by default, the question only gets a value of 1, so I'm going to change that right now to 4 because it is a 4-point question, and students will get partial points for any correct answers that they get. And there are 8 different types of questions that we have now created in this test. So I'm just going to say OK at the bottom, and that test now is ready to be deployed, which we'll look at in the next video. Thank you.